friends, I am Gauri Shankar Shah. Friends, have you spotted the difference in both the presentations? Yes, both have been presented in different way. So a great presentation gives smart ideas and advantage. Friends, in 2019, there are approximately 2.77 billion social media users. Therefore, establishing a social media presence can play a huge role in generating business. Your social media presence serves a way to communicate, meet consumer needs, build trust before you establish a direct relationship. You can even connect to your with the clients on a personal level in an environment in which common interests are shared. So friends, building a better social media presence, you need good presentation, and my today's video might help you doing that. You already observed that in my first at the beginning of the video. I'm going to give you a demo of an app which you can download free of cost from Google. The name of that app is Canva. Hope you like the video. Please watch the full video. I have demonstrated maximum from that, and you can learn a lot from Canva to have a good presentation in your social media. For demonstration, I have already downloaded the Canva app from Google Play Store. Just to show you what you can do with Canva, you can make Instagram posts, logos, videos, posters, photo collages, cards, resumes, flyers, announcements, Facebook and WhatsApp stories, Twitter posts, certificates, and many more. You can actually make Twitter posts, animated social media posts, Facebook videos, posters, logos, presentations, flyers, cards, business cards, all with the help of this Canva app. So friends, you can also do these things in Canva in laptop or even in your desktop. Many templates are already available which is free for animated social media, Instagram post, Facebook post, covers, photo collages, posters, then flyers, Twitter post, blog banners, YouTube channel arts, book covers, different latest posters like on COVID-19, logos, presentations, infographics, business cards, resumes, brochures, certificates, etc. So friends, I think you have already seen many of the templates which are already available. I'll just show you how you can edit any of those as per your wish and requirement. I have taken one, I'll show you. I have taken one certificate for example, but you can do editing in any of the category. You can edit anything featuring in the templates like names or any other icons in the certificates as per your requirement. Color of anything can also be changed by clicking on the different colors, or even you can create your own color. See how beautifully you can change the colors. The text size can also be edited as per your requirement. The fonts can also be changed as per your wish. You can find many fonts which are free, but if you require any special one, you need to upgrade to the Canva Pro. But there are lots of other fonts which you can actually use, which are actually free of cost. Now you can share your design post in Twitter, WhatsApp, mail, Facebook, Instagram, or even you can save in the Google Drive. There are lot many videos which are also there, which can be readily edited. Let me just show you one. You can edit the color or even the words as per your requirement. Like this video, there are lots of other videos are also there which can be edited and can be used in your social media. Let me show you how to edit an invitation card. You just need to click on a template which you want to use. See how you can change the dates just by clicking on it. Okay. Yes, you can even change the color of all icons in the invitation card. This is the reason why I like this app the most. Here comes the use of other options in Canva. You can add images, videos, stickers, illustrations, even other templates too. You can even search your required illustrations by typing. I want to just have some other decorations. So see, lot many other things are there. Let me take that square just for example by clicking on it. I can even change the dimensions too. Wow! Even my friends, I can change the transparency too. Frames, yes, lots of them are there. See, just by clicking on the frames, there are lots of different kinds of frames are there. Even lines of different shapes and other utilities are there which can be used. Just to show you, I have used one icon for different. They can also be used from which you can pick up yours. Okay. Lots of other icons are there. You can use any of them which are free. I have just used one bulb here. Just for an example. Now comes how to make this a video or a small GIF. Just click on the sticker option. You can choose as per your requirement. Lots of items are here too. I have selected a flower which matches with the invitation color. See, it's moving. You can make the video using different options like rise, breathe, block, pan, slide and fade. Now you need to just download and share the video which you have just now made. Hope you are enjoying using Canva. Lots of other options are there. I'm just showing you. Now you can even make your own designs of different dimensions. Just clicking on the black color button, the different options are there like Facebook cover, Twitter post, blog graphics. These are all different dimensions which can be used. For example, I have clicked on one YouTube thumbnail. I'd like to have one image and I am just typing India because just after a few days Independence Day is here. I have just clicked on one Indian flag. After that I will just adjust it. After that I will have one illustration, one line. I need one line having good breadth, so I'll click on it. So I'll keep it on the other side of the flag. So I'll change the color of that. Just see, one option was there blue, so that just for example I have taken that. So after that I need to add some thing on that like Happy Independence Day. So I would be editing that. You can actually change the colors, everything you can change. Just for example I am showing you here. Okay, so you can have that. You can place it there, you can move it there anywhere. so actually it gets saved in your designs. You can later on again edit that. So I'll show you something else too, like Facebook posts, the collages which can be edited, and family pictures, family portraits. Lots of things are there you can edit actually. Okay, so let me go back to the main screen, home screen. Now I will show you the best part of this Canva app. So let me check with one Twitter post. Okay, I've just typed that Twitter post here. So lots of the free templates are already there. You learn more from losing than winning. So I'll convert this English into Hindi. Okay, just check it out how I am doing that. You need to just click on the line, that words. After that, see that Google is coming English to Hindi. I have just converted. By clicking on the Hindi, I can change it to Bengali. Okay, then I can change the same to other African languages too, even Punjabi, Gujarati. See, I have converted it into Gujarati words. I can change it to other Indian languages too, like Tamil, Telugu. Okay, see, I have changed it. So friends, I hope you have liked today's video. Actually, I have chosen the app Canva because it's one of my favorite app for those presentations. Apart from that, other apps are also there which I have given in the description box. Even other than that, if you have any queries regarding that, you can post as your comment in the comment sections. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.